Hello there. So Flash users can now watch this video for the basic tutorial for beginners mode. To start, let's go opening the Adobe Flash CS3 Professional. So click Action Script 3.0 or +5, and then let's start creating an object. So we should first familiarize with the tool, and later as we go on, I'll be discussing also the specific function of every tools. If we want to create an object, we need to have basic skill on drawing. To start making animation, so let's first understand the basic manipulation of the object. So everything that we insert, that we created within the Flash, is called an object. So this is the text object, this is the rectangle object, oval object, or the polystar object. Okay, so assuming we want to create animated text from this stage, so every time we change or we click or we select a specific tool, it changes from here. The properties inspector can detect what tools that we are using and what are the possible options that we can use for that specific tools. Okay, so assuming we want to create an animated text, so click text and then select first the specific font we want, assuming this one, and then the properties, bold, italic, disable the italic, and the font size, and the color, assuming black, and then click on the white background, our stage. So enable the caps lock, animated text, and then to disable the text tool, we can press the escape or we can click the selection tool. So next we need to align the text at the center. Okay, and then use the align tool, click enable to stage. This enable to stage detects the stage, the size of the stage, the width, and then we have the align horizontal center, align vertical center. Okay, so this is the text aligned at the center of the stage. So we can select the fit to window. If we select fit to window, it will automatically adapt the specific height and width of the stage. Okay, so there are many ways on how to animate object, the textual type of object from here. So first, select the object. Next, click modify, and then select convert to symbol. If we want to convert this object to symbol and make or add some effects. Okay, but we can also manually create an animated text. So this is the first one. Click this one and then select movie clip. So this is movie clip, and the second one is the button type, and the last one is the graphics. Okay, so from that name, so Flash will prompt us what a specific instance name this one must be. So this is commonly used if you want to use programming from the class using ActionScript. So this is much better to follow the basic instruction or the basic steps as a requirement. Okay, so disable the caps lock and then type animated txt underscore MC. MC stands for movie clip, and click OK. As you notice, a positive sign was added here and a mini hole or oval added here. This one represents that the textual object was already converted into a movie clip. And as you notice, there is a label or the instance behavior for this object, that is movie clip. Okay, so next, this is the timeline. So the timeline is where the playhead plays if how long will be the animation will took place and the speed. So the speed of the player will always depend. The speed of the playhead depends on the default settings of the frame rate. So to check the frame rate, click from the white background, left click, right click, or either from the grayscale background. So this is the clipboard, this is the working area. So click or right click and then select properties, or you can easily change from here from the properties inspector. Okay, so click document properties and then this is the default 12 frames per second, the frame rate, as you can see from here. Okay, so assuming we want to change it from 12, the default, to 30, and then press the enter key. Okay, so next we want to change the color of this one after 20 frame or 25th frame. So position your mouse pointer here, click once to select that specific timeline, right click and then select convert to insert keyframe. Okay, so the playhead will automatically jump from the current position of the timeline frame. Okay, so from here, this is the original color, black, and it will change here red. And another 25 frames, it will change the color from red to green. Click from here, right click, insert keyframe. So this one will change automatic to green, and this one is from black to red, and this one is black, the original. So next, is it okay? Next, click the layer 1. Next, click the layer 1. Position your mouse pointer from the selected area, right click and then select motion twin. Okay, so if we press the enter key, it will play the timeline. The playhead will go automatically run over those timeline. Okay, so click here and then we need to change the color. To change the color, press letter V, selection tool, and then it will change the properties inspector and then select the color. So so we can try this one, tint, and then select red. So 100%, and then enter. Okay, and from here click again and then press letter V, select tint, and then change the red to green. Okay, and now let's check and find out if how animation of flash will do. And now let's start playing the output, and now let's try check the appearance of the animated text. by pressing Ctrl E, by pressing Ctrl plus Enter key. Okay, so this is the basic animated text. So we can add more from here to change it to goes back to color black. So from black, red, and green. So to go back to the black color, it will continuously play from here. Okay. Okay, so we can extend this one to add more colors, assuming from 50 to 75. Click, right click, insert keyframe, and then change this one to color blue. Pressing letter V from the keyboard, change the color to blue. Okay, so extend this one to 100. Right click and then select insert keyframe, still blue. So 150, 125, 125, click, right click, insert keyframe, change it to green, and then another 25, 150, right click, insert keyframe, and change it to red. Oops, sorry. Next, extend that timeline to 175, right click, and then change it to insert keyframe and change it to black. Okay, so let's check by pressing Ctrl Enter. Okay, so as you notice, the animation was already done. Okay, so we can click this one or by pressing Ctrl W to close the active window. Okay, so for more info on Flash basic animation, so you can watch the next video. Thank you, and please like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for our next video. Thank you.